Yeah, Cameron, I'm building a wall. I'm going to line it with cement sheet and I'm going to tuck it up behind the fascia. The old fascia, you can see it's hanging out past the edge there, up in the top corner, so you can see. That's why I'm just building the wall at the back of this shed. So back here, I've got one of these, Makita. Not sure why it's not focusing. BTM50. Anyway. That job, if I was going to do that with a handsaw or something, I could use a handsaw, but that's it, makes it nice and easy for what I want to do. So then you can see over this side I've got the cement sheet tucked up behind the fascia there. Now I can just cut it and run it right through. So that's a little movie to show you why I use this machine, where I use it.